How to log in into Vanilla gift card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Vanilla gift card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up any web browser and simply search for Vanilla gift card. After you search for that, simply open up the website for it. And after you open it up, you will see vanillabalance.com/this, and after you're on this website, simply head here. You'll see sign in to your account option. So right here, type in your card number. After you type in your card number, type in your expiration date. After you type in your expiration date, type in your CVC number and go to the CAPTCHA and tap on login to log in into your account. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.